All right. So. So what were you saying, Maureen?
Okay, so the trick here, let me get it. Can you see it?
Uh-huh.
So all this is pretty easy, where you just click it and, oh great.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
That's what happened to me last time.
You have to enable your the security
Oh,
warning.
that's right. Now I'm on my different computer because I can't do the Google Hangouts on my regular one.
Oh.
So let's see if I can get it to work. All right. So it asks you, do you want to format? Yes. Put in a month. And it formats. And my computer's really slow, sorry.
Huh.
Then it says, report has been successfully formatted. Okay, all that's pretty straightforward and easy. The hard part is right here. You're supposed to uncheck this. And work for me, please. And it clears all the formatting.
Nice.
So just getting it to recognize that checked box took 2 hours last night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's that fun.
So what happens when it runs all the way through? Oh, and the other one was, if you do no, you have to make it uncheck.
Uh-huh.
So let's see. Oh, I don't have developer on my laptop. Darn it, I can't show you the visual.
You can.
Okay, so I'll just talk you through it. So you have to, so remember the only way to change, let's see. Oh, I've got it hidden. Right here it says false or true, remember that?
Uh-huh.
So the only way to get it to change, because when you format it, it ends, it's going to have a checkbox in it. And when you go and uncheck it, when you uncheck it, it's going to, it'll do nothing because it figures that the program's done and it doesn't, does that make sense? It doesn't start up a macro because you can only assign one macro to your box. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So what you have to do is you have to loop it. And that's the trick where he talked about in the video, where you can make it to sit and loop and repeat. So you have to somehow get it to go back to the beginning of your program. But the trick is you already have if it's false, it has to uncheck this box. So you have to have both commands in there, but it should only recognize one at a time. I'm not making any sense.
So you loop it back to where, as if you clicked no, whatever is what you're doing.
And I thought you had to do an if-then statement every time, but it doesn't work.
Huh.
So that's the logic. You guys can, like I said, I don't have developer on my laptop here, so I can't show you the code. But email me if you can't figure it out. That's the logic behind it.
Okay. Simple enough. Kinda.
Kinda.
Yeah.
Wowie. All right. Well, I mean, other than that, everything else is pretty straightforward. Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty. That's pretty straightforward. Easy.
And then write the
It
code.
took me a little while to figure out how to unclick the checkbox. But basically, you just have to run a macro that changes the words from true to false, so it'll uncheck itself.
Oh, okay.
Like if it says if VB false or whatever is false. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So I just made a macro that went in and I physically clicked on that box, changed it to false, and then it unclicks itself.
Got it.
Because no if then would work. I couldn't get anything else to work, but that did. So after the question, do you want to format? And if you click no, it's going to uncheck the box. So you run the macro to uncheck the box.
Got it. Clear as mud.
Clear as mud.
And then always.
Yep.
But yeah, even if you run into a snag, you don't want to take the 2 hours it took me last night.
Will do for sure.
I was thrilled when we figured it out.
Yeah.
It's funny how the other day I was at work. I was on my lunch break. I was doing some homework. Took my computer to work and I was doing some stuff. And there's another guy sitting there, and he's like, "So what are you studying?" I turned my lap. Let me show you. And I showed him my macro and stuff. I was like, "It's really cool, huh?" And he's like, "Yeah, you know." I was like nerding out because I thought it was super cool that I felt. And he's just like, anyway. Yeah, that's all I have. Somebody else has any words of wisdom?
Yeah, I just got to fix the box. Check and uncheck.
Everybody,
I'm still moving.
thanks. Maureen's frozen.
Yeah, my computer's so slow.
I think it's everyone today too, because mine keeps glitching out as well.
All right, guys. It's almost done.
Yeah.
Then, guys.
Just the exam left, right?
Yep.
Anything else?
That's it.
All righty. We'll see you later.
Great. Thank you, guys.
Take
See you
care.
guys.